all of my fans them way I WhatsApp me and I say Happy New Year. God no, I can't answer back so much on the WhatsApp. My phone over flood. So you what? Me I send out a early greetings to all of my fans them, all well wishers, all who love me, all who hate me, all who criticize me, all who say good things and bad things about me, who want to see me rise, who want to see me lift up, who want to see me down. I don't care who it is. Me just I wish you know a very productive, prosperous and successful new year. Yeah, to each and every one. And me I beg you for the new year, just live with God, love God. Change from them little evil ways and them evil thoughts and evil thinking we wanna deal with. And make we just know say God are God here, that we want to know. So we are telling you, Happy New Year. And we there